Let's be honest. Discipline sounds like a punishment invented by someone who hates happiness. Waking up early, studying when your bed whispers your name, choosing water over soda like a responsible adult? Yeah, no thanks. But what if I told you your brain can be trained to enjoy discipline, not tolerate it, not suffer through it, actually crave it? And no, you don't need motivation. Motivation is flaky. Discipline is reprogrammable. Let me show you why discipline feels painful, the science. Your brain has one job: save energy plus chase dopamine. Discipline equals effort plus delayed reward. Dopamine brain goes, you, later reward? In this economy? So when you try to be disciplined, your brain treats it like a threat. That's why you feel resistance, procrastination, and the sudden urge to clean your room at 2 a.m. Here's the key truth. You don't hate discipline. Your brain hates uncertainty of reward. Fix that, and discipline becomes addictive. Rewire. Step number 1, make discipline immediately rewarding. Your brain doesn't work on long-term goals. It works on, what do I get right now? So we cheat. Every time you do the disciplined action, studying, working out, waking up early, you attach a small instant reward. Examples: study, fancy coffee; workout, fire playlist you only allow during workouts; morning routine, sunlight plus favorite music. Science check. This is dopamine association conditioning. Your brain starts linking discipline equals pleasure. Over time, your brain goes, oh, we like this. Rewire step number 2. Lower the pain, not the standard. Discipline fails because people aim too big. Your brain hears, study for 3 hours, and immediately activates self-destruct mode. So do this instead. Start stupidly small. 5 minutes, 1 page, 1 problem. This activates behavioral momentum. Yes, real science. Once you start, your brain hates stopping more than continuing. Discipline isn't built by intensity. It's built by consistency without fear. Rewire step number 3. Identity greater than willpower. Willpower says, I should do this. Identity says, I'm the kind of person who does this. Instead of saying, I need discipline, say, I'm someone who keeps promises to myself. Your brain loves identity consistency. Once you act disciplined a few times, your brain protects that identity. You're not forcing discipline anymore. You're being yourself. Rewire step number 4. Make discipline a game. Your brain is not lazy. It's bored. Turn discipline into streaks, points, levels, challenges. Example: 7-day, no 0 days challenge. Study XP plus 10 points per session. This activates the dopamine reward loop used in games and apps. You're not being productive, you're playing, and your brain loves to win. Rewire step number 5. Remove the decision fatigue. Every decision drains discipline. So, disciplined people don't decide. They automate. Same study time, same workout time, same routine. Science check. This reduces cognitive load and preserves willpower. Discipline isn't strength, it's fewer choices. The moment it clicks. One day something weird happens. You wake up, you start working, and your brain goes, wait, why does this feel good? That's when discipline stops feeling like punishment and starts feeling like power. You're no longer chasing motivation. Motivation is chasing you. Discipline isn't about suffering, it's about training your brain to enjoy progress. And once your brain learns that, consistency becomes automatic, success becomes boring, and excuses extinct. Now go rewire that brain. Comment discipline mode on if you're starting today.